Do you often have to suspend ventilation ducts, wastewater pipes, air conditioning units, cable trays or similar from the ceiling in the building service sector? Then you know how challenging this overhead work can be, possibly at great heights on a platform and possibly in an unheated environment. We, as joining experts at Böllhoff, have looked at these requirements in detail in a project team. Many companies in the construction sector are already supplied with innovative joining solutions. Our new product DUCTEC is another innovative joining solution. Why is that? DUCTEC is a one-piece, flexible high adjustment for thread-based suspensions of all kinds, stepless adjustable without tools. It is also suitable for high loads given in these requirements. DUCTEC essentially consists of a base element with functional elements at the ends, which enable the fixed length adjustment of threaded components. The DUCTEC is quick and easy to install. The lower end is screwed to a pipe clamp, bracket or other suspension using a hexagon wrench. The hexagon wrench can be pushed through the sleeve from above up to the screw head. The upper internal thread is then connected to the threaded rod, which is installed and fixed in the ceiling by turning the DUCTEC. It is then possible to adjust the entire construction manually by turning the DUCTEC up to 50 mm. No special tools are required. This type of suspension can support pipes and ducts weighing up to 100 kg. You are always on the safe side as the breaking load is 300 kg. DUCTEC is completely galvanized and therefore highly compatible with the materials used for typical ceiling fixings. The advantages of DUCTEC are obvious. The tubes to be suspended can be fitted with DUCTEC on the floor in advance. This saves time during the ceiling installation. The high adjustment, which is carried out without tools and by hand, is simple and time-saving. Saving time means saving costs. The advantages of quick installation make DUCTEC a real partner in the technical building sector. Your fitters will be delighted with the reduced workload. Bring DUCTEC into your company and talk to us. We will be happy to answer your questions.